Section 2.5, 2.6, Example 8b. Solve n plus 1, C1 equals 20. Keeping in mind again that our combination formula is NCR is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial times r factorial. N plus 1 factorial divided by whatever's here, subtract whatever's here. N plus 1 subtract 1 factorial times r 1 factorial equals 20. Simplifying, we have n plus 1 factorial. N plus 1 minus 1 leaves us with n factorial times 1 factorial equals 20. We need to rewrite one of the factorials. We start with the largest. N plus 1 is larger than n. We rewrite n plus 1 factorial as n plus 1 times 1 less than n plus 1 is n. And we notice that there is an n factorial on the bottom. So we stop there. And notice that n factorial will cancel with n factorial. We are now left with n plus 1 equals 20. Subtract 1 from both sides. N equals 19.